Why we'll invest in Kazakhstan? The ninth largest country in the world, located in the very heart of Eurasia, grants access to the market of nearly 500 million people. Political and social stability. Steady GDP growth in the longer term. First in Central Asia in terms of investment climate. Ranks 36 in the Doing Business ranking. In 2016, Kazakhstan entered top 10 reformer countries according to the World Bank's ranking Doing Business. Favorable tax benefits. Significant assistance to the investors, preferences for the priority investment projects. 11 free economic zones and more than 20 industrial zones. Complex privatization plan and the launch of Astana International Financial Center. Visa-free travel for 65 countries in the world. According to the World Economic Forum, Kazakhstan has significantly improved the efficiency of government regulation and investor support. Kazakh Invest is a single window for investors in Kazakhstan.